let's get straight into it. Last week I potted this Dawn Redwood grown from cutting into this larger pond basket. In doing this, will speed up growth and boost overall health. But I want to start styling this. Redwoods are known for growing upright, standing tall, known for their red textured bark. But what should we do for this tree? So now I'm ready to start removing any unnecessary growth on this tree. Remove any barred branches. So I'm cutting these right back to here, so they're too long. And this is what it looks like after pruning now, more refined. So I must admit that looks a lot better, a lot less restricted, a lot more light can get down through the canopy and reach the bottom of the pot. Now next for this, I'll just keep this in the shade, water it as normal and just monitor it. But in the next video then, we'll add some wire and direct these branches down and give it that proper redwood look, but that's in the next video. Also, coming next week is the Deshojo. I'll be removing the ear layer from that, so make sure you stay tuned for that. I will be removing this ear layer from this Deshojo. You can see that's ready to come off. So to get all of this, you know what to do: subscribe and turn notifications on so you won't find this content anywhere else.